Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. I was in the new Walmart I was telling y'all about that's in my neighborhood. And I was looking in the section over there where they have the pie dough and stuff. And I saw this puff pastry, layered and flaky. This is not normal, the puff pastry that I use. And the puff pastry that I use is usually in the frozen food section, where the frozen pies is. And I say, you know what? I'm gonna take this and buy this and see how this is. So, let me roll this out and see, y'all. Let me roll this bad boy out and see what we have here. Is it just like, okay, the other puff pastry? Was it one sheet or two sheets? Oh, it looks like it's two sheets. Okay. Well, I'm gonna put it back on the paper here. Cause what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna make me some peach turnovers. Now I got some peach. I'm gonna try to cut it in squares, y'all, best I can. Don't hate if I don't get it right. I'm trying to get. Let's see here. 1, 2. Try to get 6 peach turnovers out of here, y'all. 6 of them. So I'm on. I'm using my. Let's see right here. I got some old school peach preserves here, and this is what I'm gonna use. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. Sorry about that. Okay, y'all. Now, like I said, I got some peach preserves here, and I'm gonna take them. First, let me get this egg. I got a little egg wash we're gonna put on top. Or in the middle of this too. So when we seal it, we kind of mix this egg up. Mix it up really, really good. All right. I'm gonna say, you're making too much noise. I got them people out there, y'all. Okay. Nothing like, you never had a peach turnover, y'all. Nothing better than a peach turnover. All right. The peaches out of here. That's some good old peaches, some old school peaches, y'all. And all I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna kind of mash them down here. It's gonna make an awesome filling. This is better than any filling you'll get in the supermarket. Kind of mash these down. I ain't gotta go to commercial. Did I go to commercial yet? Kind of mash them down, y'all. I don't want them to be too, there we go. If you don't make, you don't want to know the recipe of my old school peach preserve, I'll put a link at the beginning, end of this video, or the closing video. You can have it right there. Okay. All right, y'all. Let me get I need my brush out here. And I need my pizza cutter, y'all. I think that'll work better. Let me get my pizza cutter. Hold on, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut it up the middle. Then we're gonna cut it across here. Trying to get it as kind of eye this, y'all. Don't judge me, y'all. Don't judge me. Chef, he can't measure. There we go. How's that, y'all? Okay, now I like to put a little egg wash around already. In fact, we're just gonna egg wash the whole thing. So when I flip it over, it won't it already has the egg wash in it, and I won't be messing up my filling. Okay, we're gonna put some filling right in the middle here. Trying to make it even as possible here. I'm definitely gonna have enough filling. Oh, that's good. I'll mash that one up there. That one didn't get no mash. Okay. we go. There we go. Put a little bit more over here. Oh, that little jar is perfect for 4 turnovers, y'all. Absolutely perfect. Okay. Now, what they call them? Turnovers. So we're just going to turn them over just like this. Just like this. Get my fork here. We're going to get my fork in, kind of crunch it. Crunch the eggs. I like you can kind of leave it on. Oh, Lord, that one's trying to come out on me, y'all. Trying to come out on me. And I got a sheet pan over here to my left, y'all. I'm going to just lay it right here on my sheet pan. I'll let this thaw out. Tip it in the... Oh, you know what? It was already thawed out. That's what's different about this one. It was thawed out already. It was over there where you buy your... I don't know if y'all Walmart have it. Like I said, I don't buy a lot of stuff food-wise in Walmart. But I say, this would look pretty interesting. I say, well, I'll give this a shot. I'll give this a shot, y'all. All right. French that one. Very delicate dough, y'all. This puff pastry is very, very delicate. So anyway, we'll stop. I'm gonna stop and do the rest, and we'll be right back. All right, y'all. We got them all on the board there. Now, all we're gonna do, y'all, we're gonna put a little egg wash on here. This gonna make it look nice when it's brown, especially when puff pastry, y'all. It looks absolutely, makes things look absolutely amazing. Get on there, get on there. Now, get on there, egg. Come on, come on, come on, egg. Okay, now we'll put a little turbinado of sugar on here. I'm gonna give it that nice look when they come out. You can use regular sugar, y'all, if you have to, if you want to. Not gonna hurt it. All right, 350 degrees oven for about 15-20 minutes. It ain't gonna take long on these, and we're gonna come back and see how they look. This new puff pastry dough, y'all. We're gonna see if the Walmart stepping up a level. So anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all, this took exactly 18 minutes. Look how beautiful these are. And the puff pastry puffed up really good. I'm impressed, Walmart. I'm very impressed, Walmart. I had a little come out. I didn't seal the edges over there, but hey, it's all good. It's all good. A little of it shot out the edges. That's fine. So I'm gonna let these definitely cool a little bit, because I cannot, y'all, bite these right now. They are excruciating hot, as you can see. So I'm gonna step out and let them cool off a little bit. And we're gonna come back, and I gotta take one for the team, y'all, and really see how good these are. So, you know, it's very simple, very easy to put this together. As long as you got the preserve like I have all the time, you can put anything in them. Shit, put some grape jelly in, hey. Whatever you like, pear preserve, peach preserve, strawberry preserve, anything you want inside it. Fill it over with the puff pastry, egg wash it. That's a quick dessert, right? So anyway, y'all, we'll be back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Check this out. Let me get this one right here off the top. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We're gonna keep it classy. We're gonna keep it classy, y'all. Okay, we're gonna cut this. Okay, y'all. Y'all a close up. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that, y'all. We're gonna cut it right in half here. Like I say, we're keeping it classy. Keeping it classy. All right. Look at that, y'all. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Come on, take it back. Come on now. This is gonna burn the roof of my mouth, y'all. Hold on, go in there. What a quick, easy dessert, y'all. Wow. Oh, yeah, I'm going in again. Going in again, y'all. Get that bad boy up. That thing is hot. Look how hot that is going in. Woo! Yeah, I gotta do that here. That thing's hot. Wow. Oh yeah, I'm in my element. I'm in my element right now, y'all. I would bite that, but it's so hot. Go the other way here. Going in. Wow. That's hot and it's good. One more. One more here, y'all. I promise you, I'll close this video. All right, y'all. Let me quit here. I don't sit down and eat two of these like nothing. You have enough here for one per person, or all per person. If you count it, all per person. But anyway, let me close this video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media account. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, TikTok, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2025. It's great to be alive. It's even better to be living. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.